Hello and welcome to the walk around video here at Your Next Car. So we're going to begin with showing you around the exterior of the car. I'm going to point out major talking points and features of this very nice 335D M Sport Touring. Included in this very nicely presented black sapphire exterior colour, of course, we've added the full YNC Mperformance body styling kit. Included in that, you'll also see the brand new 20-inch 795M Mperformance style alloy wheels. They're presented in the ferric grey, and alongside that very nice black sapphire metallic, they do look very nice. Situated behind those alloys, you'll see the M Sport Plus brakes on this car. That is thanks to this vehicle being equipped with some very nice optional extras, including that full M Sport Plus pack from BMW. At the front of the car, you'll see it's a 2016 16 plate. We've got the LED headlamps up front. Moving on down the side of the car, as well as those very eye-catching alloy wheels, you'll see the gloss black sidebars, YNC Mperformance decals, and the sun protection glazing, again thanks to that M Sport Plus pack. Moving towards our first glance at the interior, again another optional extra for this car. You will notice the little sensor items on the door handles, and if I walk up to the car, I've got the key in my pocket and I can simply unlock the car using the keyless entry feature, which is always very handy should your hands be of course full. Interior wise, we've got the Oyster Dakota leather, which comes with the electric lumbar and the heated seat option. It's of course the 8-speed sports automatic. We've got that wonderful Harman Kardon surround sound with Logic 7, and everything in terms of the interior is in a very nice condition and is a very nice colour combination with that of the exterior colour. In terms of your rear seat arrangement, you get a 3-seat Isofix rear bench with a central folding armrest, and of course thanks to that being the Touring variant of a 3 Series, we've got a especially spacious rear bench and a especially comfortable place to be as well. Darkened M Sport headlining of course, and again everything very clean and tidy in the back there, as you can see. And we'll move around towards the rear. Again, I want to show you just how well these alloy wheels do sit on the car. At the rear of the vehicle, of course being a 335D, you do have that superb BMW Xdrive 4-wheel drive system. We've added a gloss rear diffuser for the car. You also get an automatic opening and closing tailgate, which then reveals a huge boot space. You also get underfloor storage along with the factory luggage cover and factory dog guard, which is of course always a bonus should you be one of the many pet owners out there. However, there is no evidence that there has been a pet in this car, that's for sure. It's a very, very clean and tidy vehicle. And moving around to the other side, again we can show you and highlight just how nice that black sapphire metallic has been well cared for, and again how well it now sits with all of the additions we've made here at Your Next Car. We'll move on inside the car because there is yet a lot more special features awaiting us on the inside. So once we're sat very comfortably inside the Touring 3 Series, we'll start the car up, and there you can see we've got the professional wide navigation and media screen, and we'll show you around a couple of the features and functions of that. First of all though, as you can see, it's covered just over 38,000 miles, does have full BMW service history, which of course I'm going to show you very shortly. Another huge feature for this car is the rear facing reversing camera with both front and rear parking sensors of course. We'll just pop that back into park to stop it beeping away at us. Navigation of course, we've also got Bluetooth for telephone and audio, DAB, along with a wide array of multimedia inputs, including the wonderful music collection, USB and AUX inputs. Down here is where we'll find the dual climate control, along with the switches for the heated seats. And if I click through into the vehicle information and vehicle status setting, I can of course show you off the service history, not before showing you another feature that's heated in this car. Clicking this little button will warm up the multifunction M Sport steering wheel, of course giving us the heated M Sport steering option. So as you can see in a moment, well you won't be able to see it, but in a moment this steering wheel will get nice and toasty, and it is a very quick action. So of course in the morning, in those colder mornings, that is always a very thought after option. Cruise, speedometer, voice and volume controls also situated there. On screen now you'll be able to see the full BMW service history the car does come with. And again, another feature, we've got the intelligent safety systems equipped to this car. So again, you'll now see on screen we've got the front end collision warning, and we've also got the lane departure warning as well. Always very useful for systems to have. And again, a very thought after, very high spec 335D M Sport Touring here at Your Next Car, and of course with the additions we've made, makes for a very nice eye-catching vehicle. I hope you can agree. So thank you for taking the time to watch the video. I do hope you've enjoyed it and of course found it useful. For further information, remember to check out the links in the description. where of course it will take you through to our website. Thank you guys, we hope to see you soon. Do of course take care. Goodbye.